TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 42. You got the Nasdaq up 16. S&Ps are up 6.5. Gold contracts trading up $1.70 at $1,211.50 an ounce. We have silver up 13 cents, $16.66 an ounce. Platinum is flat at $9.39 an ounce. We have copper up 2.5 pennies at $2.54 a pound. Light sweet crude $47.49. 10-year note. 10-year note is up 4 ticks, 125.22. 30-year bond up 11 ticks, 153.18. Both the notes and the bonds, they're trying to make a bottom. We'll see if they get any juice coming off this bottom. King dollar down 13 ticks, 101.100. Now, King dollar last night got down into the 100.770 area. 100.660, folks, is where it broke out of. It did come down with some force last night. It looks to me like good old King dollar is going to try to at least test the 100.660. Now, we're coming into, of course, our Thanksgiving weekend. Bottom line, when we have Thanksgiving, the dollar is not going to stop trading. It's going to be trading right around the world. And I expect that's when we're going to see between today and the next couple of days, it's going to get down into that level. We'll see whether it can hold that level or, in fact, we have a false break topside inside King dollar. Euro. The euro is trading at 106, and the yen is at 111.10. We go over to take a look at the S&P. S&P bottom line at all-time highs. You had the SPY take out the August 23rd swing high yesterday. That swing high that we're talking about was $219.60. Right now, you're at $220.50. We'll see whether it can hold that number coming into the not only close today, but the rest of the week. Friday, we got a short day that is open until 1 p.m. Nasdaq Composite. The composite itself is also at an all-time high. The composite took it out yesterday. We're at 5,386. The only major index that hasn't taken out the highs yet is the NDX 100. NDX 100 continues to have a hard time holding price. The number that we're talking about here is 49.11. Right now, you're at 48.77. If we come back into look at the 3 Qs, what you have inside the 3 Qs is this. 3 Qs are trading at $118.99. The high you're looking at is $119.65. And the way that it's trading out here today, it doesn't look that this is also going to hold. Now, gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, overnight got into the price point of 1,230, I believe. Let me get this thing up for a second. Jeez. Gold contract traded to a price point of 12.20 last night, intranight rather. Right now we're at up $1.60. You're trading at 12.11. Now the cool thing here is that we get some juice underneath this move. You get some volume underneath this move today. We'll see whether it can basically hold this level and or get a bit higher. Gold is bouncing along this bottom right here. Gold has to get back inside the price point of 1218.70 in order to basically get some strength. That was where the downdraft occurred on the 11th of November. That's when we went from 1265 to 1218. We take a look at the bond market. What you have with notes and bonds, they both look like they're trying to put in a short-term bottom. You get notes, the 10-year note, 125.21. You have 891,000 contracts. We'll see whether it can get some juice the next couple of days. 30-year bonds, same type of setup. And it would make sense because both of those are coming into long-term support going all the way back to 2014 through 2016. And good old King dollar, folks, that's the one to keep your eye on because King dollar right now got down to 100.710 last night. It has volume down there, by the way. The number to keep your eye on is now 100.660. Bottom line, we'll see whether it wants to test number one or get back inside that area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.